Hello traders, in this video I'm going to share the breakout indicator that catches the very early reversals, and this is a unique concept that you can see. And personally I like this indicator very much because due to the approach that it is using, you can have a lot of bullish and the bearish breakouts, and it also provides you with the short and long signals, and it will be very easy for you to trade the market just using the instant breakouts. Okay, so make sure that you are going to watch the full video. Okay, guys, the second thing, please visit my website fxmentorus.com. There is a banner on my website if you are facing the problems with your broker, like if you want to join the best forex and the crypto broker that I personally use from 2015, then join this broker, and just click on get started and you can open an account with them, and this is the most trusted and the unique regulatory broker available in the market. The second thing, my private indicators are listed on the website, especially the big players indicator and the bank indicator. And the third thing, if you want to book a market maker coaching session with me, then you can contact through Telegram or email. All of the links are given in the description as well, and also you can contact through our website as well. Okay, guys, so this indicator that we are going to talk about in this video, this is very unique, and that's very interesting, because when I will show you, then you will simply love it, that it is very good for scalping. Okay, so if we go to the TradingView section, here we need to write GINUX. Okay, Ginux. Okay, so when you write GINUX, Ginux, then this indicator will come, and you can see this is a completely a new indicator that is it is not even might be reviewed by someone. So you can see that we have only you can see that we are only 14 likes on this indicator. So once you click this one, and even you can see the net profit of this indicator is also coming into the green section as well. All you just need is to just uncheck the labels so that they should not disturb you on the screen. Okay, so right now, let me open any chart where it has given a signal. Okay, you can see this is the losing trade, but look and see. This was the short signal, and if you just look at this short signal, then it is basically providing you the short signal when the price breakouts below the red line, and then you can see the price is down. Okay, so for example, if we have a signal here, then second, you can set up a stop loss above it. Otherwise, there is another option in this indicator, like it has provided you a short position here, and then it tells you to close it, but that's a very late close, so you can use it just above it. If your stop loss is above, that would be very interesting for you. Okay, so let's review its short trade. So for example, this is the short trade, and you can see it has given us a profit up to here, and let's see. Okay, but this is not just you need to look for the short and the long trades. No, just look at the breakouts, the triangles, and the things that it is making. For example, you can see that's the bearish close below it. You got a trade exactly from here, and for example, you short on this one, you set up the stop loss above like this, and then you can see this trade has given you a 1.78 ratio. But do not use it when the market is consolidation. Like for example, if we talk about this area, this is completely a consolidation, so the breakouts will not happen. So for example, if I go to the gold chart, now you can see, first of all, it has provided us with a bearish breakout. It hits your stop loss. Then the second thing, it closes above it. Now for example, if you are going to take your entry from here, and then you will set up a stop loss at the previous low, then just look at this bullish ride that it has given you, a complete bullish ride with the 3 ratio at least. Okay, and then you can see the price consolidated on that time. And then you can see on gold, we again have a after the, but first of all, you need to understand that we should not trade the consolidation, but just for an example, if you trade like this, then again it has given you almost 0.82, and not like this, even more than this, you can see. Okay, so when it breaks out above the red level, then you can see, if you have taken a buy chance from here, you will the stop loss should be very tight. If you are going to follow that strategy for a breakout, your stop loss will be very tight, and so far you can see that is zero point 0.2. Okay, so this is the very interesting indicator. Just try it with the breakout method. Like you can see, these are not bad signals. Just avoid the consolidation. You can see this candle tells us that the proper breakout is done, and now you can see the price is moving up. Okay, you can see this is the bearish breakout, the price is going down. So I can give you more examples, like if you are going to trade it from the London session onward till the New York session, and if you get any breakout on the New York session, that will be very interesting. Okay, just avoid the consolidation. You can see it break below, and now you can see the price is going down. So overall, much better than using the smart money concepts and the other ones. Look, if you are using it in the good momentum markets, then you can exactly find out the trades like this, and the good thing is that your stop loss is very tight in that situation. Okay, guys, so this is all about this indicator. If you want to book my indicator, that is the bank indicator or the big players that is listed on our website, that's very interesting. As you can see, this is very clear, and it tells you where the market is heading towards. And you can see that was rejected from the bank selling level, then it has given a close below the dotted green line, it was another sell, and then again the market has given a close below the dotted green line, it becomes another sell. And if I take you on a gold chart, so let's see, the price is going up from the bank buying order, it has given a close above the dotted red line, it's a buy signal for us. And I have told in the market review today that the price is actually targeting 2785 bank selling level that is available at the top. So overall, this indicator is very interesting. Like you can see on USD CHF, it first went up from the bank buying order, and then you can see it has given a close above the dotted red line, it is targeting the bank selling level at the top. So guys, if you want to book my private indicators, then you find the links in the description, and you can also contact through our Telegram channel or email. Thank you.